Hey guys, it's Noah here, and today is Friday, November 5th, 2021, and I just wanted to let everybody know that, so first of all, you saw in the you saw in the video of the self-propelled demo, my Hoover self-propelled demo, back in September, and you probably saw this, Dyson DC-18 Slim here. So, a week later after this came in the shop, it was not worth fixing, so I just set it in my attic. And then about a month ago, and then when I got back from Tulsa, Oklahoma on October 17th, 15th to the 17th was my trip to Oklahoma, Tulsa. So I decided to get this thing out, and then the little diverter assembly, there's a little diverter assembly in this right inside there that diverts the suction from the hose and wand to the floor. So then I decided to turn the valve with a flathead screwdriver, and then I just turned it with a flathead screwdriver to the floor setting, and I just decided to use it around my bedroom, and it did pretty well. So first of all, like the customer that brought it in, she's probably going to get a Shark or maybe another Dyson or maybe a Hoover or maybe Eureka. Electrolux vacuums are not made or sold in America anymore, except for the appliances. So then she may get a Oreck, because most people in Oxford, Mississippi have Orecks. That's where I live, Oxford, Mississippi. Then they have Sharks and Dysons too. Yep. So then my plan is, I could not find Alright, first of all, because I couldn't fix this, because I could not find a part anywhere called the undercarriage assembly. That's right here. This is the undercarriage assembly right here. So then my plan is, if one comes in on eBay, remember the customer is probably gonna get a Shark or Dyson or Hoover or probably another vacuum. So my plan is that if I find an undercarriage assembly on eBay, I'm gonna order it, and then when it gets here, I'm gonna put it in, test it, and then bam, I'll have a DC-18. How cool is that? Alright. So, because I've always wanted a DC-18 ever since I was in kindergarten or so, back in 2011. Yeah, because I like the rear mounted handle. Yes. And then, alright, so, anyways, that does it for this video. Just comment, subscribe for more.